Hey y'all, it's your girl Sweet Pea Precious. I'm here today with my first little DIY project. Y'all know y'all family, so look, it's no hair, no makeup, got me in my robe and stuff. I'm just chilling. So welcome to my home. I'm gonna do this little project that I just came up just out the blue. Girl, let me tell you, I was at the Dollar Tree and I seen these little things and I'm like, that might work for a problem situation I have at my house. So y'all know when we bought the house, the kitchen was pretty much kind of like almost done, but the final touches are still missing / in progress. So for example, this is like the main stove, sink area. And then it's like over here, it's little, y'all excuse the mess, but it's like little side additional counter space or whatnot. And then on that side over there, you have this more countertop space. And if you don't look too closely, you won't really notice that, hello, it's no backsplash like anywhere. Because they was in the process of like changing stuff over, I guess, or whatever. The only place in the kitchen that does have like something is over here on this counter, and it's got like a tin situation going on. Well, I'm just like, okay, I'm the type of person where like, look, we ain't gonna do nothing until we have the money to like actually transform the whole kitchen space or whatever. But like I said, then I was at my local Dollar Tree and stumbled upon this interesting product. And I was like, that might work to enhance our temporary situation. Okay? So I'm just give y'all like the little view or whatever of what it's mostly looking like. And show y'all what I have in progress. So I went to my Dollar Tree, y'all. And I came across this. A stick-on backsplash. Child, when I tell you, I was like, no they didn't. But then I was like, well, I mean, for like $5, at least it won't look crazy like it's looking right now. Like, it's just literally like wall exposed and everything. So I'm like, well, that it's worth a try. So I bought one. And I opened it up. It came like this, and I just cut a piece off and stuck it on there and was like, oh, that does not look half bad. So I went back up there and got 5 more, and I had kind of put it on kind of sloppily, just kind of to see. But I'm telling you, it looks better than, like I said, better than the glue and exposed like unfinishedness that's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take like all of 10 minutes to do the kitchen. Okay, y'all, so when you open up the packaging, it comes in a sheet that's like this big. It's about the size of like a very small doormat, or a very small rug. Like a very small doormat or something like that. I don't know. It's bigger than a placemat. Yeah. So the dimensions are on there. Let's get the packaging so I actually can give y'all some information about it. 17.7 inches by 29.5 inches. Okay, and they have different styles. This was of the options available, this was the nicest one, which just so happened like to work with my kitchen that's gray and white and black. Honestly, the other ones they had was like something with roosters on it and like a little chef man. No. So this was the most contemporary option. They only had 3, but I only went to one Dollar Tree, so I didn't check out like the other ones to see what other designs or whatever they have. So what I did was I took this right here. So this is part of my little area that I'm doing. All this is just like painted drywall. See how it is? It's just like nothing is finished. So I took like a little test strip and tested out how big I would need it to be. And it looked like about basically 4 rows. So this is another sheet that I already cut up. And I just made one cut to take like 4 rows. And then I stick it there. Let me bend y'all down so you can see. Then when I do it right there, it will be like, voila, it's magic. So this comes, it's like literally like a sticker. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, because I know when I'm watching YouTube videos, I don't like for people to just be like, here's the before video, here's after. Like, show me kind of how it looks like, you know, what's going on. So the great thing about this is you don't have to deal with any glue, any like sponges and water or nothing like that. It's literally just a foil and it's sticky. Take it off. It's like a regular sticker. And this is crazy. I mean, girl, they come up with everything nowadays. I mean, it's like you just blink and all of a sudden, here, let me turn y'all around a little bit so you can see a little bit more of what we got going on. You just blink and it's always something new. So this is pretty exciting. And look at that, look how it is. It doesn't look half bad. So once you stretch it, like pull it on both ends, like from this end and from this end, to get out the little crease, little folded crease. And then once you push it down, smooth it out, bam, there you go. You got you a whole new backsplash. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest and come back with the finished result. Hey guys, yes, of course you can have a hug. Give me a hug. I love you so, so, so much. Hey guys, I'm back and I finished the backsplash for the kitchen. Look, it looks amazing. It looks so much better than what it was. And the total bill, $7. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all the after. Go check out your local Dollar Tree, okay? And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.